Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Without further ado, let's dive into it. If you notice, when you press the power button, you lock the screen like this. To turn it on, you press again and you'll turn it on. To turn it off, you may think that by pressing hold the power button, it will bring the option to turn your device off. But when you do that, it will bring the Google Assistant. This is not what we want. The first option you have to turn your device off is through the quick settings. To access it, tap here on the right side and hold and then swipe it down and you will have access to the quick settings. Right here at the top in the middle, you have the power icon. Tap there. This will bring you the power off options. And right here you can see you have the option to turn it off, to restart, emergency call and medical info. If you want to turn it off, you just tap here and your device will power off. If you want to use the power off button to turn your device off, we have to change how this button behaves when we long press. To do that, let's go to the settings. Tap here on the settings, scroll down until you find advanced features, which is this option here. Tap there. Inside advanced features, tap on side button, which is this option here. Inside side button, you can see right here at the top, if you double press, it will open the camera. Below it, you have the long press option. Right here, it is set to digital assistant. So when you long press the power button, it will bring the digital assistant. This is not what we want. We want to change that to bring the power off options. So let's tap here. And inside here, you can see that you have the digital assistant, you have Bixby, and you have the power off menu. Tap here to select the power off menu. Now, if you long press the power button, it will bring the power off menu. From here, you just have to tap here and tap again to turn off your device. Now, you no longer need to go to the quick settings and tap on the power icon to have access to the power off menu. By pressing hold the power button, you will have access to the power off menu. Well everyone, this is how you power off your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and change the behavior of the power button. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it, and subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.